Hello everyone. Today I'll be talking about one more important landmark judgment of 2021. The case is of Joydeep Majumdar versus Bharti Jaiswal Majumdar. In this case, the bench comprised of Justices Sanjay Kishan Kaul, Dinesh Maheshwari, and Rishikesh Roy. In this case, the Supreme Court held that the wife leveling allegations which affects the career and reputation of husband amounts to mental cruelty against him for which he can seek divorce. This was the main observation made by the Supreme Court. But for understanding this case, we will first understand the facts of this case. In this case, the husband was an army officer, and in his divorce petition, he alleged that he was subjected to numerous malicious complaints by the wife, which have affected his career and loss of reputation, resulting in mental cruelty. Though, after listening all this, the family court granted him the divorce, but the High Court reserved it. And after the decision of the High Court, an appeal was filed in the Supreme Court. The husband submitted that the wife filed a series of complaints against him before the superior officers in the army, up to the level of the chief of the army and other authorities. And these complaints have irreparably damaged his reputation and mental peace. After listening to all these facts and circumstances in this case, the court made a very important observation about marriage and how to consider these cases and give judgment. So the court observed that for considering dissolution of marriage at the instance of a spouse who alleged mental cruelty, the result of such cruelty must be such that it is not possible to continue with the matrimonial relationship. And in other words, the wrong party cannot be expected to condone such conduct and continue to live with his or her spouse. So, the court also said that the degree of tolerance varies from person to person, from one couple to another couple. And the court, while delivering the judgment, should also keep in mind the background, the level of education, and also the status of the parties in order to determine whether it could be that particular act could be considered cruelty or not, or cruelty, the allegation of cruelty is justified or not to dissolve the marriage. Because in India, every possible effort is made to protect the marriage, to keep the marriage. Even the court tries to give time to the couples that if it is possible to keep the marriage, then they should definitely make efforts. And that's what the court is saying here, that each and every case is different, the circumstances of each and every case is different, and so the background, the education level of the parties should be checked so that the tolerance power can also be understood, that how tolerant a person, a couple could be. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Link for my Instagram ID is provided in the description below in case you have any queries in regard to legal matters or law exams. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.